In this video, I will guide you how to remove page color in MS Word. I have a 3 page and all 3 pages have blue color. So how you can remove the background color? So for this, you need to go to the design on the top menu bar, and on the right side, click on the page color and click on the no color, and the background color is removed. So in a shortcut key, if you want to remove the text color, so let me increase the font. So now select the entire text and press Ctrl plus space bar altogether. And here you can see that the color of the text is removed. And now go to the page color and click no color. So my default color is blue, so it appears in blue. So if your default color is black, it will appear in black color. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.